What's up, guys? It is John Muscarello from Side Hustle Experiment. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm a six-figure e-commerce seller. I sell on Amazon and eBay, mostly books and used media. And I also am doing online arbitrage. On this channel, we talk everything about how you could get started selling on Amazon and eBay, or how you could grow your already existing business on Amazon and eBay to make more money. So if you're into that kind of stuff, please subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Today's video, I'm going to talk to you about one of the toughest parts about being a bookseller and how you could overcome that and make some extra money. And the biggest challenge, whether you're getting started or have been doing this for a while, is getting rid of the books or finding ways to monetize books as much as you can. About 80%, 75 to 80% of the books you get, you won't be able to sell on Amazon and eBay. I mean, if you want to make like a quarter a book or 50, maybe you can, but for me, that is not worth it. So I want to tell you guys about a company called SellBackYourBook. Thank you so much for the shirt, Bill. I really appreciate it. I've been working with them for about 2.5 to 3 years. I've sent them over 51,000 books, and they have paid me $15,000 for those books. It's about 29 cents a book, which might not seem like a lot, 29 cents a book, but you know, there's no other option for that book. I can't really do anything else with it. So to me, I view it as extra money. So in today's video, I'm going to kind of walk you through how the process would work, how I do it as a bulk seller, a bulk bookseller, someone who's buying Gaylords and processing them at a warehouse. And I'm also going to give you a look at how someone who has a smaller operation or is doing it at their house, a storage unit, or garage, can make extra money using Sell Back Your Book. It does not cost you anything. You don't have to pay to ship the books there. Basically, all you got to do is scan the books into their website, or I'm going to show you some other ways you could do it. And at the end of the video, we're going to do a giveaway. So stay to the end, and if at any chance you're like, oh my God, I want to do this, like I don't need to watch anymore, there'll be a link down below for you to go over there and sign up and get started. So typically what will happen, I'm in my warehouse right now. This is the dumper table. This is the tilter. Basically a Gaylord would come on here. It would basically be tilted, boop, boop, boop. All the books would fall out. Then the helper would be flipping them upside down like this for me. And then I would scan them into a computer / scanner that I have here. And we're using a software very similar to Scout IQ, but it's kind of hush-hush, so if you want to know what it is, you can send me a DM on Instagram at Side Hustle Experiment. But basically, what we're trying to do is figure out the best way to make money on a single book. So sometimes there are examples where, you know what, Amazon says, hey, or I'm looking at the data, it says, oh, you can make $1 on Amazon, but Sell Back Your Book is paying 50 cents. I'd rather take that 50 cents because the price on Amazon is just in the moment right now. It's not going to stay. It could go down. There's plenty of times where $1 profit book has turned into like a negative 50-cent profit book just because the market crashes or the price tanks. So, and Sell Back Your Book in the bulk program and also in the personal program holds the price of the book. So if I scan it, it says it's going to be 20 cents for me. They're going to honor that. So basically, I would just take these books, I would scan them. This is saying they're going to pay 12 cents for that. That's awesome. This book, 18 cents. This book is profitable on Amazon FBA, but the condition for me is just the cover's a little bent. I don't like to send in books like that, but Sell Back Your Book could definitely use this. They don't accept water damage books or like books in really bad shape or have a lot of writing. But for something like this, they definitely take because it's just kind of like a little crease thing. So I'll give that to them for 11 cents. They're giving me 9 for this. 12 cents for this. So this is a great example. This one I could sell merchant fulfilled, but the amount Sell Back Your Book is going to give to me is going to be more. So I'm going to go with them in this case. This book. This is a textbook that I can sell. I cannot sell on Amazon because I am gated or restricted. So Sell Back Your Book is actually offering me $48 for this book. So, and I'd potentially be able to make $77 on Amazon. This is a great option for me. I do sell on eBay as well, but I'd rather just give it to Sell Back Your Book, lock in that money, and not have to worry about it. So basically that's what we do. We scan through all the books, figure out what's the best route, and if they come up for Sell Back Your Book, we have a Gaylord right there. We'll just toss them in there, and once the Gaylord is full, then go into their Sell Back Your Book app and close the shipment. If you are kind of doing more of a smaller operation, you could click the link in my bio, like I said, and basically it has, it will take you right here, and you can sign up for SellBackYourBook.com. This is, you can see right away, I'll use the same book as an example. It will come up, it says 9 cents. I already did have some stuff in my cart here just from kind of doing a little test for you guys. You have to have $7.50 at least. So you'd add all this stuff to your cart and then basically check out. And I don't have my account like logged in here. So it will show you here like the quotes that they're giving you. And then once you are all set, you have 7 days, I think it says, to lock in these prices. Again, it has to be $7.50. Then you would just hit send, and then they would print you labels that you could use. There would be free. You have to tell them how many boxes you have. And then, yeah, they just send you the labels. You put them on. You send it to them, and you're all set to go. So that's the first step for you guys. Set up an account. This is really the first step for anyone. You could use the link in the YouTube description. Now, right after this, I'm going to show you exactly. You could use the website by typing them in, or I'm going to show you a way to do it with Scout IQ, which I find probably a little easier for me. And it's just because like a lot of times we're like out in the field doing other stuff. And it allows you to only scan the book once. So I will see you in a second. Before we talk about how you can use Scout IQ, I've been so excited to do this video. I totally forgot the most important part. How do you get paid? So there are a couple of ways. They could either send you a check, which I've never done that way, or you can give them your PayPal address. That's how I do it. A lot of times, Bill, who I work with, will text me and be like, hey, we're sending you money tomorrow for this buyback order. And I'm like, this is awesome. And then pretty much the next day, I get like a little ding on my phone that Sell Back Your Book sent me money. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I shout them out all the time in my stories. And it's real easy if you're doing, if you're just sending them boxes. Their website says they'll pay you within 3 business days of receiving the books. For bulk, it's a little different because it obviously takes a little longer for the books to get there, and they have to go through a whole Gaylord. So it could take anywhere, I don't know, a couple weeks or whatever. It just really depends on the volume, what's going on. Obviously, with everything going on with shipping issues and stuff, it might take a little longer. But that is how you get paid. It is super simple. Like, you give them your PayPal email once, and then once you have everything set up, they just send you money for your books. And it's been a great experience for me. So now I am going to show you how to use Scout IQ. I just figured a lot of people might be wondering, wait, how do I get the money? All right, guys, I'm back. So in this little piece, I'm going to show you how to use Scout IQ to really help speed up the process of the book scanning process. And it integrated with Sell Back Your Book. It didn't integrate, it added an integration. They're 2 separate companies. Where a box pops up letting you know that it's also good for Sell Back Your Book. So there could be so you would know exactly when you have a book that's good for Sell Back Your Book. Usually you would scan in Scout IQ, which is their app that Caleb Roth made. There's a link to a free trial in my bio. The best app I've used for scanning books. It's my favorite by far. And when they did this integration, this was pretty much a big game changer for everyone who's doing bulk books or just bulk books in general. So if this would be your home screen, it might look a little different. This is kind of like a account I just use for videos, so it's not fully set up. This, you would click on your settings button right there. And when you want to scroll down to the bottom, and you want to hit the Sell Back Your Book, and also turn on the wholesale audio cues. So what this does, it enables the app to show you. So normally you see that little green box, that means Sell Back Your Book. Be willing to pay $1.27 for the book. You can see here that people have it on Amazon FBA right there for $12.96. It looks like Amazon came back in stock on it, but Sell Back Your Book would give you $1.27 for it. So basically what you would do if you didn't have a scanner, you could use your phone. You would literally just make a little thing like that. You'd put it over the barcode, and then it would pop up. It says they're paying $5.88 for this book. This is a really good example too, because I'd be able to make $6.10 on Amazon. I would just give this book to Sell Back Your Book and take the $5.68 guaranteed. Amazon is also on this listing, and the $6.48 is definitely not 10% lower than Amazon. So I definitely take the Sell Back Your Book. So once that box pops up, all you have to do is hit the box, the green box, and it adds it to your cart. So you're all set. So and then once you have it, you just hit close. You keep scanning the books, Let me grab another one here. Scan this guy. This is a great book, by the way, if you haven't read it. Again, $1.27. You're just going to click that box. It's going to add it to your cart. And then once you're done, you're just going to hit complete your order. And then obviously you're gonna be like logged in, or you log in and then you'll be automatically logged in, and it'll be similar to what I showed you on the computer. So that is kind of the recap, guys. This Sell Back Your Book has been a great company to work with. Again, I've sent them 51,000 books, made $15,000, about 29 cents a book. They've been a really, really big part of my business. For me, I send them Gaylords of books, and they schedule delivery for you. You most likely send them boxes of books. But just a great company to work with. It's a great way to get extra money for books that you can't monetize elsewhere. And if you sign up using the link, let me know. Take a screenshot saying that you got signed up. Send me a DM at Side Hustle Experiment. The first 2 or 3 people to do so, I'll send them one of these shirts. Just send me your address, and I will hook you up with a shirt. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments, or if you use this Sell Back Your Book, do you like it? Again, all you have to do is go to the link in the bio down below, sign up, and you'll be on your way to making extra money and monetizing as much of your books as possible. And it really adds up, guys. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.